welcome back to our Airbnb tour. So this is the room, this is the bedroom right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the camera so I can see the whole bedroom. So this is where we stayed when we came to Ghana. We spent about 5 days here. We finished packing now. We're heading back to the UK today. But this is how the Airbnb look like. Have a ceiling fan and also a light from the UK. And also there's a lot of hangers to hang your clothes. And there's also diffuser down there for nice scent. There's a hair dryer. There's a hair dryer there. There's a steamer, and there's also a storage to put your stuff like clothing or your knickers or your panties. Yeah. There's also a light here for reading, and there's also a bedside cabinet. So if you want to put your accessories or like or your stuff there, you can definitely put them there. It's quite a massive bed. I think the bed is definitely bigger than the king size. It's a really big bed. And there's also fresh towels as well. So if you want to change towels, there's always a towel here for you, like one big one and one small one. So there's also a seat or sofa here. So if you want to read, like for example, if you want to read, this is your view from the bedroom. I'm just sitting here in the corner. Like if you want to read or get some dressed or want to put your shoe on, it's quite amazing. And there's also a carpet on the floor. Let me flip the camera so you can see a beautiful carpet. You know, like the finishing touches for this Airbnb is pretty one of a kind. You know, we watch a lot of Airbnb videos, but this is one of a kind. So guys, so if you want to stay here, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll give you all the details. There's a memory cushion there, memory pillows there, and there's also very comfy pillows as well. Bedroom is very, very spacious. It's very airy. There's a lot of air, and because it's on the top floor. And there's the bathroom here. There's still a lot of work to be done, but you can see the toiletries down here. There's the lotions, there's the air fresheners, there's one toilet paper, and there's also a little flower here, so everything works here. So if you want to flush the toilet, everything like this. Also the diffuser in the washroom, and there's also amazing bath products, a nice shower gel and a nice shampoo here, and there's a nice shower head for you there. And also there's somewhere you want to wash your hands. Right, I'm just going to walk into the kitchen to show you guys how the kitchen look like. This is how the kitchen look like. Pretty amazing looking, with a nice blind, beautiful light over there. I don't know if the camera will get the light. And there's also a fridge down here. And there's a kettle, a Daewoo kettle from the UK. And very spacious plates. Kitchen with a lot of plates and cookery products. And there's also a pot for tea, so if you want to make a tea or copper. There's also a nice wine glasses there, champagne glasses. And this is what you if you want to cook. There's some spices down there. All the pots, big pots there for you. And you also have a coffee, meal, sugar, tea. And also there's a toaster there for you. There's a lot of plugs, like power surge plugs, so you can plug yourself without any worries. So these lights here are here just in case of any power cut or anything. You can just press it and to switch it on. And this is your hand wash, very, very nice. And also there's a coffee maker here, the espresso coffee maker, so you can make coffee. Just feel relaxed. Yeah, there's a coffee here for you, so about 6. Yeah, so if you want to make coffee, feel free to help yourself. There's also egg, if you want fried egg or something. And also there's a blender there, so if you want to blend something. And inside the cupboard there's a gas cylinder and some cookery stuff, and there's a pots. All the pots are here. This is what they are. So if you want to use them, feel free to use them and make some delicious meals. And this is where all the toiletry or the cleaning products are. So if you want to use them, feel free to clean the floor or the kitchen. And here's the fridge. The fridge is in there, very spacious fridge. You can see everything is in there. and also your cutleries and everything, and your wine opener is also here. Very, very important if you want to open the wine when you arrive, you know, very essential. And also what we have here, we have water cooking stuff. Then we also have kitchen cloth, so if you want to wipe your hand, and there's a lot of stuff here for you to use. So it's just like a home away from home. And also if you look here, there's a amazing table here for you. So if you want to sit, have a dinner, it's a very unique place. You can also sit here, and if you want to browse, use your phone or use your laptop. And there's also a plug here, you can charge your phones, and they're all such plugs. So very uniquely for you. So if you want to stay here for a week, 2 days, weekend with friends and families, please drop me a comment, let us know, and we'll give you all the details. Thank you so much. And at the moment I'm just in the living room. I'm just going to walk around so that I can see how beautiful the living room look like. JA is having a nice biscuit there, and that's how the living room look like. This beautiful lights here, I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to walk around the whole living room. There's a smart TV down here, I think it's LG, and there's also a beautiful table here with the diffusers. Very nice decoration on here. So it's an amazing place, nice space for you and your friends and family. Unfortunately, parties not allowed in here, so but you can still have a nice time sitting here, sitting in the sofa, relaxing and watching a beautiful TV down there. Smart TV. There's also internet as well. The Vodafone internet. There's also a speaker there for Bluetooth your phone and listen to some music. Yeah, and there's also magazines here, so if you want to read a magazine. Yeah, so guys, and also the Wi-Fi password is on the door as well, so you don't have to look for those basic things. So that's it. This is where we stay. So if you want to stay here, drop us a comment. Yeah, until then, thank you so much for watching this amazing Airbnb tour. See you in the next one.